Okay, picture this. You're hungry. You want ramen. Rich, comforting, and a little spicy. But delivery? That's at least 45 minutes! Good news, we're making easy spicy miso ramen faster than your phone can even find a driver. And yes, it's going to be seriously slurp-worthy. Add a little oil to a pan over medium heat, just enough to shimmer. Toss in some ground pork and break it up as it cooks, 2 to 3 minutes, until it's no longer pink. Season with a pinch of salt and a dash of white pepper. Give it all a good stir. Now add chopped garlic, fresh ginger, and the white parts of your green onions. Stir for about 30 seconds. Spoon in miso paste and Doubanjiang. Smell amazing already. Deglaze with a splash of sake. Let it sizzle for a few seconds to deepen the flavor. Then pour in about 3½ cups of chicken broth. Give it all a good stir. Bring it to a light boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer. Scoop off any foam and stir in a spoonful of hondashi for that next level umami. Keep the broth warm. Meanwhile, boil your fresh ramen noodles. Just a minute or two. You want them springy, not soggy. Drain and nestle them into serving bowls. Ladle the spicy miso pork broth over the noodles. Don't forget a generous scoop of pork. Now for the magic moment. Drop in that soft boiled soy egg cut in half, golden yolk showing. Sprinkle on green onions, drizzle some chili oil, add a pinch of sesame seeds, and finish with a few strips of seaweed. Now that's a bowl you'll want to dive into. A cozy, flavor-packed ramen. Ready before delivery would have even hit the road. Grab your chopsticks, dig in. Totally worth it.